Okay, is this working? I'm guessing it is, but I'm going to go.
What are you doing, Aiden?
Recording a video.
Okay, you can delete that video.
Don't mind my brother. He's bad like usual. I don't like him. But here's how to make this, if you need it to know how. So to make this, you can use gold if you want, or whatever kind of block, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna do it with gold though. So first you make something like this. I'll let you Okay, now I'm going to get it to the hinge part. And if you're having trouble rotating it upwards, press T on your computer and it makes the hinge go upwards. So it should be like this right now. You can copy this and then go get glue. You'll only need 2 glue for this. So go stand on it and then put glue in it. You'll need to be constantly doing that for it because you can't just walk into the glue. So you'll need to do that each time. You go to it and then save. If you want your friend to hop on with you, put a seat either here or something. And if you want to try abducting people, just put it on the side or something and then try getting them. You launch and then ta-da. You can try to abduct people if you want. Oh, come on! That didn't work out. No one has a barrier. Oh, this guy has a jetpack. Barrier. Meow. 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 Stop sitting. So I'm just going to show you how you do. You press jump and then you do this and try to press jump as fast as you can and don't go too high. It won't render it and you won't get any gold from that. You only will get a gold block at the end if you reach the end. See how it keeps skipping them? It's because I lit a little over height. So that's how you make it. Bye.